In 2271, an interstellar probe unexpectedly returned to its home world, planet Earth, from a journey begun almost 300 years prior that had taken it into unknown regions of the cosmos. At some point during these travels, the probe underwent an evolutionary transformation. Further examination of this return encounter raises important questions related to the continuing security of the United Federation of Planets. The Vger program was first launched during the dawn of human space exploration. Comprised of a series of identical uncrewed satellites with a payload of scientific instruments, the program's primary mission was to collect data on several of Earth's neighbouring planets. After providing humans with their first detailed look at these planets, Vger probes continued to transmit scientific data as they travelled through the heliosphere and into interstellar space. It was at this stage when the Vger 6 probe ceased transmissions and may have been caught in the gravity swell of a black hole. In 2271, an unknown astronomical entity demonstrated incredible destructive capability and intent in an attack on 3 Klingon battlecruisers. Soon after, this entity also attacked a Federation outpost en route to the approach of planet Earth. This series of violent encounters marked the return of the long-lost Vger 6 probe. A cosmic cloud that now surrounded the probe measured 2 AU in diameter. It possessed an energy field with a power greater than that of thousands of Federation ships. Positioned at the cloud's centre was a massive starship. In addition to its sheer scope and destructive power, the Vger 6 probe exhibited a terrifying new capability. It had acquired astonishing new means of data collection and also now identified itself by a new designation, Vger. While much is now known about the threat posed by this new entity and its awesome coupling of power, the source of origin for these changes remains a mystery. This fact raises troubling questions not only about Vger, but also about the nature of who or what may have served as the catalyst for this transformation, and therefore what potentially hostile beings may be lurking in the distant reaches of the galaxy. Exploration of Vger's new data storage systems revealed images of its travels and some important clues regarding its transformation. Vger had originated on a planet of living machines, and no longer simply the sum total of its processors, mechanical parts and programming, Vger had taken on the qualities of a living machine itself. The unprecedented weaponry of Vger's innate programming proved dangerous to Earth. But Vger also demonstrated a commonality with other life forms, the need and capacity to evolve. Vger sought meaning. And through an attempt to touch its creator, it endeavoured to find its purpose beyond simply the logic of its programming. It has been theorised that the planet of living machines that gave life to Vger could be either the Borg or one of its predecessors. If such a revelation is discovered to be true, details gleaned from this encounter could offer Starfleet its earliest clues about a mortal enemy. The question of what fully happened to the Vger 6 probe still remains a mystery. But perhaps what has been learned from Vger's return is that whatever was born out of this encounter might still share its creator's insatiable thirst for knowledge.